Hi there! For reading today, we are going to continue learning about alphabetical order or ABC order. Remember, they mean the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to give you a moment to think back to yesterday. And what does alphabetical order mean? Alright, alphabetical order or ABC order is when you put words or names in order using the alphabet. Here's our alphabet. We have letters A all the way through to Z. Okay? So before we begin practicing putting words in alphabetical order, because yesterday we did letters, today we're going to do words, let's go ahead and listen to the alphabet. So I'm going to play the same song that I played yesterday. Go ahead and sing along, or make sure if you're not singing, you're at least practicing the alphabet.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. And X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo.
Alright, I hope you like that little ABC song that we just listened to. Alright, so what I'd like to do is go ahead and show you what we did yesterday. Yesterday we looked at a group of letters and we put them in order. We figured out which one would go first using the alphabet. Now, we did letters yesterday, so I thought today it'd be really good if we did words. Alright, so now that we have our ABCs fresh in our brain and we have the alphabet right here, we're going to do what we did yesterday, except for today we are going to put words in alphabetical order. So let's look at these let's look at these words and figure out which word should go first. We have red. Go ahead and practice saying the word red. Blue. Blue. Green. Green. Alright, I went ahead and underlined the first letter in each word. Do you see how red has the R underlined and blue has the B underlined and green has the G underlined? Alright, just like yesterday, we're going to use the alphabet as a tool to help us put these words in alphabetical order. So I'm going to go ahead and point to each letter like I did yesterday, and you're going to give me a thumbs up for yes, that works, or no, that doesn't work. So, do we have a word that begins with A? What about B? Do we have a word that begins with B? We do. We have the word blue. Good job. So, do you see how we use the B to put this one here? We didn't use the rest of the letters. We used the letter B. Okay? So we have two more words, red and green. Let's continue putting these words in alphabetical order. Okay, so we were on B, which means we need to see if we have any words that begin with C. No C. What about the letter D? Letter E, F, letter G. We do. What word is this? Green. And so we are looking at the letter G in green, okay? So we have the word red, and I know some of you are thinking, well, let's just put it right here. We can do that, but we're practicing, so we should continue practicing with the alphabet. So we left off on G. Let's keep going. H, I, J, K, L, M, nope. Any words that begin with the letter N? No. What about the letter O? Any words? P, Q, R. There we go. Here's where red would go. There you go. So what you just did here was we had these group of words that were not in order, not in ABC order, right? But what we did was we underlined the first letter in each word, and we used this alphabet as a tool to help us put them in order, in alphabetical order, right? So this activity is just like your activity that you're going to be doing by yourself today. So if you need to go back and review this part of the video, go ahead and go back a little bit and go ahead and listen and watch the video again. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the next slide where I have different names of some teachers that are here in the school, and I need your help to help me put them in alphabetical order. So we're going to use the alphabet as our tool, and we're going to use what we've learned so far. All right, do you see all these teachers' names right here? Oh, I need to move the box over just a little bit. All right, so I have all these names right here, and here's my tool, the alphabet. I need your help to put these words in alphabetical order, these names in alphabetical order, okay? All right, let's begin. So I think what I want to do, and this is really good if you you come across words, you can do this. I want to highlight each, the first letter of each name. So this is what you could do. This is what I usually have my students do. Is focus on the first letter. So I'll read you the names here in just a minute. I just want to highlight, and I want to show you how to highlight. Almost done. Okay, let's now go over the names. We have Rosa, say Rosa, Magoni, Magoni, Almazan, Almazan, Chaddock, Chaddock, Kruger, Kruger, Borowitz, Borowitz, Nungesser, Nungesser, Reed, Reed, Casales, Casales, Carmody, Carmody. All right, let's begin. All right, so I need your help. I highlighted the first letter in every name, so that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to find the first name that would go in alphabetical order. Let's start with A. Do we see, thumbs up or down, do we see a name that begins with A? We do! It's Miss Almazan. So we're going to put her name right there. Good, thank you. So I'm going to take her name. I'm actually going to take her name out of the list. Goodbye. All right. So let's go to the next one. B. Do we have a name that begins with B? We do. Who is it? Borowitz. Copy. Put it right there. Good job. Let's keep going. Letter C. Do we have a name that begins with the letter C? We do. Oh my goodness. But on this one, we have how many names? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 names that begin with the letter C. So when this happens to you, what you do is you go to the second letter. So we're going to focus on Chaddock, Casales, and Carmody. Okay? So, but let's go to the second letter in this name. I'm going to highlight this in green. H, A, A. Okay? So we have Chaddock that has an H, Casales has an A, second letter, Carmody has an A in the second letter. So we're going to focus on the second letter in those 3 names. So A. Which name has an A in it for the second letter? Casales and Carmody. So which one are we going to put here? We don't know yet. We have to go to the third letter now. We're going to use blue. All right, now, are we focusing on Chaddock anymore? No, we're not, because H comes after A, so that one's out of the list right now. Right now, we're just focusing on Casales and Carmody. We're trying to figure out of these 2 names, which one's going to go next on our list. Let's go. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So remember, we're focusing on S and R. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Who had an R for the third letter? Miss Carmody. So Miss Carmody is her name is going to come next in our alphabet. Okay, now do we just keep going? No, we still have Casales and Chaddock. We got to put them next. So we talked about how Casales and Carmody had an A, so let's go back to the second letter. Casales has an A and Chaddock has an H. Out of these 2 names, which one's going to go next after Miss Carmody? Miss Casales. Just excuse that. Okay. All right. Then would it be Miss Chaddock? It would, because let me show you. Take this one out so we don't get confused. Okay. So we have Almazan, starts with an A. Borowitz starts with a B. Carmody, Casales, and Chaddock. They all have a C for the first letter, but then we went to the second letter and we noticed that Carmody and Casales have an A. So then we had to go from there and figure out, hey, which one would go first? And we said Carmody, because R comes before S. All right, let's keep going. So we left off on we left off on C. And we have these names left: Rosa, Magoni, Kruger, Nungesser, Reed. Let's keep going. Letter D. No name. Letter E. F. No. G. H. I. J. K. Yep, Miss Kruger. All right, let's keep going. We have L. M. Yep, oh, my name would go next. Okay, now we have N, which would be Miss Nungesser. And then Reed and Rosa. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to highlight them. All right, we have Reed and Rosa. E comes before the O. So read would go next.